Chick-fil-A has reported being the victim of a credential stuffing attack from December 18, 2022 to February 12, 2023. This attack was an automated attempt by hackers to gain access to the company's website and mobile app, using account credentials obtained from an outside source. The breached information included usernames, email addresses, Chick-fil-A One account numbers, mobile pay numbers, QR codes, and masked credit and debit card numbers. The data was then sold on the black market, with some accounts being listed at prices up to $200. In order to protect its customers, Chick-fil-A reset all passwords, froze accounts with loaded funds, and removed any stored payment information. Furthermore, the company restored account balances and granted additional rewards to customers whose accounts were compromised. It is important to remember that Chick-fil-A was not responsible for the attack, and businesses should consider implementing a multi-layered security solution to protect their customers. With a combination of endpoint protection and regular evaluation of individual user accounts, companies can maintain a high level of cybersecurity. Many companies have become victims of credential stuffing attacks and data breaches in the past, and this recent incident at Chick-fil-A is yet another reminder of the importance of having a secure IT infrastructure. Businesses should stay informed and educate themselves by subscribing to the top security news and guidance from reliable sources, such as the Tech Radar Pro newsletter.